So hi guys, I know it's the next day and this video was supposed to come on Wednesday. It's actually 1:10 in the afternoon when I'm editing this video. So I just want to give a special shout out to my Discord members. I love you guys. Thanks for joining the Discord server, whoever just joined today. And we're at 69 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe so that this video, the current video that you will be watching, will become the 70 sub special. And especially shout out to Samarth and Fireblitz Gaming. I love you guys. I think you've been my classmates in 6th standard, so DM me at Nichko on Instagram if you're not following me, follow me there. And yeah, let's go ahead and watch today's video. Guys, welcome back to another issue. Today, I know it's a surprise video. I didn't plan this video out, but I'll be having a hands-on experience. I know my hair is pretty messed up because when I got it, I was like, I need to review it right now. I will be using the Windows 11 laptop. A Windows 11 laptop. I've never got a hands-on experience with this laptop. I think I've used it for like 5 minutes right now, and you guys must have seen the Windows 11. I use a 10. I use a 10 Pro, and it is pretty good. Yeah, it is pretty good. But I always wanted a Windows 11. The reason being because it's the latest. First thing. So I am using a Windows 11. Never used one. This is a new one actually. According to its about page, it was installed today. Today is 24th of November 2021, and it was installed today. So it's like a brand new laptop. The charging is like almost dead. It has 39% remaining, but still we're gonna do this review. So looking at it first, aesthetical wise, you guys already must have seen the 11. I'm gonna just pop a picture. If not here, it's gonna be on my Instagram. But looking at it, it actually looks like a MacBook. I've also used a MacBook, but I have never owned one. I've never had one in my house. But I'm having a Windows 11 in my house, so I feel like using this, but no, I'm fine with it on my 10. The reason I can't put mine to 11 is because there are some specs that are needed to put it into an 11. It needs an i5 Intel Core i5. Mine, the Samsung right now, you must have seen my laptop updates, is an i3. I'm just off by like 2 to get an 11. This one has like 8GB RAM and 913GB of storage. I don't know why is that weird. So if you're thinking what laptop am I using, I am using the Dell Inspiron 153,000. So I'm using this laptop for the first time. My dad just got it and I'm like, yo, I've never used this one, so it is gonna be great. I will also be, let me see if there's like screen recording. So the Windows 10 has a thing called this, what do you call it? Xbox Game Bar. Let me see if this thing also has X. Xbox Game Bar. It does. And this laptop is a little slow. And when I click open, we're still waiting for it to open. I don't know, the camera's jiggled it. Forget recording now. So I think I am going to hang. I'm going to take this here. I'm gonna put it here like this, so you guys can also see what I'm doing. I'll just hold it probably like this, or I will hold it somehow. So that's the intro, and let's look at the 11. Alrighty, so this is the laptop actually. So this is a Dell Inspiron 153,000. It's an i5, and this is an 11. So as you can see, the taskbar is like, if you look at on this is a taskbar of a 10 Pro. This is a taskbar of an 11 Home Single. That's the edition that this has. It looks like a Mac. To be honest, it actually looks like a Mac, but it's really different from a Mac. I feel like I told you guys that I've never got a Mac at home, but I've got a 11, and Xbox Game Bar was not working. So yeah, we're gonna shine some light on this. So this is the 11. This is the new interface. I don't think we've had an interface change since the 8 had come out. So I think there was like one minor update where they added like the voice control and the search bar, like right here, right there. They added the search bar right here. That was the only like update after when the 8.1, but the 8.1 sucked. This one, it's a slow laptop. 8 gigs of RAM is not slow. My laptop alone has like 6 gigs, and I literally play games on it. So this is actually an office laptop. So the recycle bin logo is new, as you can see. This is the actual recycle bin logo. It looks more 3D. This right here, right there. Hold on, let me just zoom in to the recycle bin logo. This one. I'm circling it right now. That is the new, that's the old one. This is the new recycle bin. Nothing else has changed. Okay, this PC icon has changed. So if you can see, I'm circling that also. It's actually, my phone is at a 5.8x zoom. That actually is the old one, and this, oh hold on, it's in zoom yet, is the new one. So that has changed in the 11. The background, the original background has changed. On the old one, I mean, as you can see, it is mystery, but if I change it to the original one, I still have the logo, right? So if I go to the original one, I don't know what. Okay, so if I go to the original one, if I go to the settings menu, and the interface, I think of the oh god, sorry, my table's a little messy. So the settings on this also is pretty much changed. I don't know where to go for the settings. So it needs to update. What updates do you need, you Windows 11? Because I need a Windows 11, but I don't think it's that different. I mean, it's pretty different interface wise. But what I noticed when I was playing with this laptop is when I click the right click, this is what it pops up. So this is the new right click interface. Oh wait, I have to zoom out from there. And this is the new this is the old right click interface. So this is significantly longer, where this does not have like much of features in, like you have to go dig around stuff. There you can easily find whatever you want. Here you have your basic refresh, personalized display settings, everything. And that's what I found when I was playing around with this laptop. So yeah, last clip just shut off. I don't know where to go and how to go to the settings actually. This is pretty weird, but okay. So here's the settings. Like in the 10 Pro, this is like the latest 10 that I have. It's literally when you click the Windows button, you have it here. You just need to go look for the settings. Okay, it's right here. Actually, it's the same place. I was just too blind to see it. Right here. I don't want to lean in front, so I'm showing you guys. On the old one, it was like you click that Windows button and then right here you have the settings. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the old, I mean you guys might know what the old background was, like the old default background. This was the default background. It's on my other screen right here. This was the default background. Well, here this is the default background for the 11. I'm not doing a laptop review, I'm doing a software review. I'm just gonna put that back to my Nichfu logo because I love it. So this, I mean, I'll just talk a little bit about the laptop. See, this laptop is a 15.6 inch, whereas mine is I think a 14 inch, because I don't find any difference between, like I find there are a lot of differences in size with this laptop and that laptop. So this is a 15.6 inches even written here. It's written right here. I used to think that this is a 15 inch, but this is actually a 14, which is pretty bearable because I've been using it for like 4 years. So the keyboard has like this number pad. My keyboard does not. This keyboard has it. I know, my mask and everything is here, as you can see there. It's pretty messed up here. It's pretty messed. It has an HDMI port, a charging port. Of course, a laptop has to have a charging port. It has only an HDMI. My laptop has a 9-pin port, and like the latest laptops only have an HDMI port. They don't have the 9-pin port. which sucks because I have a monitor that requires a 9-pin port. I can connect it with the Samsung, but I cannot connect it with the HP. And on this side, it has a SD card reader, SD card slot, a USB, and a locking thing. I don't know what that is. This laptop also has a headphone jack. You don't see that on Macs. The new ones you do, but I don't think many have sold actually. That just released like I think 3, 4, I don't know how many weeks ago. But the new one, the new Mac is like a really good Mac. Apple's just going backwards. This is going forward, along with the Windows 11 that Microsoft had launched. I think after like 1 or 2 months, they launched the Duo 2. I'll link that video of the review of the Duo 2 and the durability test of the Duo 2 in as a card after this video. So, and as I said, I will be recording a COD video. Today's Wednesday, and it's like 9:20 in the in the night. I'm recording this by like I don't think today's what, Wednesday. By like whenever I finish editing this video and I upload it, I will be putting it on Wednesday. Tomorrow will be the COD video. On Friday, we will have that vlog coming out. That vlog that I was talking about. So that's it for today, but we didn't review much of the Windows 11. It so inbuilt what it comes. I don't think they have used. So these are the apps that come inbuilt. Of course, you need to have Edge. Microsoft, I think Google Chrome comes like inbuilt because when I switched to my 10 Pro, I didn't get Google Chrome. I had to go to Edge. I had to install Google Chrome, and then I could get it. This is Windows 16. This is Microsoft Office 16. I also have 16 on mine. It's not on my desktop, but I do have a 16, which we paid for. It has Prime Video, it's Spotify, WhatsApp, Gaana. If you guys don't know what Gaana is, it's an Indian music app. It's something that plays music. You guys know Instagram. You guys know Facebook. It's actually Meta now. Facebook is now Meta. Yeah, it has Paint. Let's see what's different in Paint, because I find the logo is also different in Paint, and it is a Microsoft application. Okay, nothing's different. No, nothing's different. Okay, on the touch bar or on the taskbar, it has what's this? This widgets. So okay, so on this one. Okay, so on this one, you have the same thing, but if you click this, you can go to multiple desktops. So new desktop, I don't have any new desktops because I already have one before. This has multiple desktops. Widgets is basically you have your weather, you have photos. Is this a touchscreen? No, it's not. Okay. I was like, if this is a touchscreen, I would be over the moon. I was like, I want to use this laptop, but it's not. It has your weather, it has news, it has every single thing that you need. It's basically like an Android 11, if you think what I'm saying. Now getting back to Microsoft's other product, the Microsoft Duo 2, it has an Android 12, I think, or the 11. I don't know. I don't remember which one. But if they put this software, the Windows 11, you will literally have a laptop / computer in your pocket. There are two, I think they are each 5-inch screens, so you have about a 10-inch phone. It's like a proper tablet. It's like you have a tablet and they have attached a second tablet. It's not like your Galaxy Z Fold or the Z Flip, or it's not the Z Flip, the Z Fold 3 or the 2 or the 1, whatever. The Microsoft Edge logo has no change. This is a hold on. So if we go to settings and we'll see the about, the power and battery, it has Microsoft 365 that is inbuilt installed. It has 32% of battery. This is the new what do you call it? interface for the settings. Now if you go to a 10, which I already have in here, I go to the, what is this section? System. I go to the system settings and I go to the battery life. Battery life? Okay. It's loading. We gotta wait a little bit. We gotta wait. Why do you make us wait, yo? Yes, you can see it's 100% battery. I need to if I switch off the light and go. It is like all this is literally taking all my battery. Here you cannot see that. I don't think so. So battery usage, if you click this, uh, no, you don't see that. You only see the hardware. So this versus this, the interface is completely different. So settings interface is different. The whole interface, personally, I think is different. I mean, it is different, not personally, but it is pretty much different. But if they added like more things to the touch bar, like and because this looks really empty, like if you see on this side, it's really empty. On this side, the whole task bar is filled. On this side, like the whole taskbar is like not filled. Like at least half of it is empty if you put this here, so you have like half empty almost. So if you would have added like other softwares, and if we go to the Microsoft Store, I feel the Microsoft Store is a little different. Yes, it's not it's not a little different. It is completely different. So if you see the Microsoft Store logo here versus on a 10. You go here, you have the Microsoft logo. This is a white, it's actually a 7X. This is, I'll circle it for you there. That's a white. This is blue. Where's it gone? Yeah, there. This is blue, so it's completely different. So we'll look at the interface also of the Microsoft Store and what it has. Oh, so I like the animation also. So this is what is there in the Microsoft Store here, and this is what is there. I clicked it. It's red because I changed my whole thing to red. So I opened that late and I got it quickly, like literally, bam! I opened that and it's up. I opened this earlier and it's not yet come. So this laptop is significantly little slow. So everything you see, the interface is not different at all. The interface of the software itself is not this. It's not different at all. But the logo is pretty different. So I don't know why did Windows do that, but or why did Microsoft do that? Yeah. So that's it. There's a 9-minute clip. So yeah, the battery life, I don't know how long it lasts normally. So this is the brightness. This is what 100% brightness looks like in the dark. That is what 100% brightness looks like in the dark. So I don't see any difference, but yeah. So this is a 15.6 inch, no touchscreen, no touchscreen. The camera is an HD webcam, so right here. So I don't think it's any different from that. But I think it has a LiDAR sensor, whatever this is, whatever the sensor is. I don't know if this is a sensor. That doesn't have it up there. As you can see, that dot, that's for like light. This is for light. So it doesn't look that different. That lens is different. I don't know if the sensor, whatever the sensor is different. I don't think this is also different. But first I'm seeing a laptop keyboard with a touchpad. Like after a long time I'm seeing this. So hope you guys enjoyed. First, smash the like button down below. Until next time, see you all soon. So goodbye. Now until next time is tomorrow when I get the series video. See ya. Peace. Peace.